What if I told you that building wealth isn't about showing off? It's not about flashy cars, luxurious homes, or expensive vacations. In fact, most of the truly wealthy people you know are probably living below their means, staying out of debt, and quietly building their fortune. Would you like to know how they do it? Stick with me, because in this video, we'll uncover the habits that let you build wealth without flashing it around. By the end of this video, you will have the blueprint for growing your wealth in a way that is quiet, smart, and sustainable. Let's get started. Habit 1. Living below your means. One of the most basic yet powerful habits of building wealth is living below your means. This doesn't mean you have to live miserably. It simply means spending less than you earn and avoiding the temptation to inflate your lifestyle every time you get a raise or bonus. It's easy to fall into the trap of upgrading your lifestyle every time your income increases. You get a new job, a promotion, or a side hustle, and suddenly you're moving into a bigger apartment, buying a new car, or dining out more frequently. But here's the catch. Your wealth grows faster when your expenses grow slower than your income. When you keep your spending modest and focus on saving and investing the difference, you create a cushion that will help you build wealth over time. This means not letting lifestyle inflation eat away at your ability to save and invest. By maintaining a simple, modest lifestyle, you can keep more money for the things that matter, your future. Habit 2. Prioritizing saving and investing. The second habit is prioritizing saving and investing. It's not enough to just save. The money you save needs to be invested to grow. Many people make the mistake of saving only for emergencies or short-term goals, but true wealth is built through smart investments. Consistently setting aside a portion of your income, even if it's a small amount, can have a huge impact over time. Compound interest, the interest on your interest, is a wealth-building powerhouse. The more you invest and the longer you stay invested, the greater the returns. This can be as simple as contributing to your retirement fund, buying stocks, or even investing in real estate. It doesn't need to be risky or flashy. The key is to make consistent, small investments that build over time. The earlier you start, the better the results. Habit 3. Avoiding debt and managing credit. The third habit is avoiding debt and managing credit wisely. Not all debt is bad, but unnecessary debt can be a huge obstacle to building wealth. For instance, debt used to buy things that don't increase in value, like credit card debt or car loans, can quickly drain your finances. The wealthy know that debt reduces your future cash flow. By avoiding high-interest, consumer debt, you keep more of your money working for you. If you're paying off credit cards, pay off the full balance each month. If you have any loans, focus on paying off the highest interest debt first. Remember, the less money you give away in interest payments, the more you can put towards building your future. When you live debt-free, you free up cash flow to invest in opportunities that truly grow your wealth. Habit 4. Automating finances. Make wealth building easy. The fourth habit is automating your finances. One of the easiest ways to build wealth without thinking about it is to set up automatic savings and investments. Automation removes the temptation to spend money on things that aren't important and ensures that your wealth-building habits stay consistent. By setting up automatic transfers to savings accounts, retirement funds, or investment portfolios, you're making sure that saving becomes a habit. You don't have to constantly remind yourself to save. The system works for you. Automation also helps you stick to your budget and financial goals. Once the money is automatically deducted, you'll have less chance of overspending or falling into the trap of impulse purchases. Saving and investing can be that simple. Habit 5. Practicing mindful spending. Spending with purpose. Next, let's talk about mindful spending. This isn't about cutting out everything you love. It's about being intentional with your money. The wealthy don't waste money on trends or impulse buys. Instead, they focus on purchases that align with their values and long-term goals. When you buy something, ask yourself, does this add value to my life? If it doesn't, don't buy it. This means focusing on quality over quantity and making sure every purchase serves a purpose. Instead of spending money to keep up with the latest trends, invest in things that truly make a difference in your life, whether that's skills, experiences, or things that improve your well-being. Habit 6. Continuously educating yourself. Another key habit of the wealthy is continuous education. Financial success doesn't come from one-time knowledge. It's about staying informed and adapting to new financial strategies and opportunities. The wealthy read books, attend seminars, take courses, and stay updated on financial trends. They know that knowledge is one of the best investments you can make. The more you understand about managing money, investing, and building wealth, the better decisions you'll be able to make. Continuing to educate yourself keeps you ahead of the curve and enables you to recognize new opportunities before others do. And remember, the more you learn, the more your confidence in managing money grows. Habit 7. Setting long-term financial goals. Setting long-term financial goals is crucial to building quiet wealth. It's easy to get distracted by short-term desires, but the wealthy know that long-term planning is what keeps them on track. Whether it's saving for retirement, paying off your mortgage, or building a legacy, clear financial goals help guide your decisions. These goals give you direction and motivation, helping you avoid impulsive spending and stay focused on what truly matters for your financial future. Long-term goals also provide a sense of purpose, giving you something concrete to work toward. By reviewing these goals regularly, you can adjust your strategy to ensure you stay on course toward your vision. Habit 8. Building multiple streams of income. Building multiple streams of income is one of the most powerful ways to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Instead of relying on just one source of income, think about how you can create other opportunities to earn. This could be through starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or generating passive income from stocks or digital products. The more income streams you have, the more stable your financial situation becomes. And the best part? You don't have to quit your job or work yourself into the ground. Small side hustles can gradually add up and contribute to your overall wealth. By diversifying your income sources, you reduce the risk of financial instability and create more opportunities to reinvest and grow your wealth. Habit 9. Networking with like-minded people. Networking with like-minded people is another habit that can significantly impact your wealth-building efforts. Surrounding yourself with people who share your financial values and goals can open doors to new opportunities, ideas, and collaborations. The wealthy understand the value of relationships. Networking isn't about using people for your gain. It's about learning from them, sharing experiences, and finding ways to grow together. By forming genuine relationships with others who have similar financial goals, you create a support system that motivates you to keep pushing forward. Additionally, networking can lead to partnerships and business opportunities that might not be available otherwise. Habit 10. Practicing patience and delayed gratification. Finally, practicing patience is essential when building wealth quietly. Wealth doesn't happen overnight, and the wealthy know this. They are willing to make short-term sacrifices for long-term gain. Whether it's living in a modest home, driving an older car, or not indulging in every desire that comes your way, delayed gratification is key to building lasting wealth. The ability to sacrifice today for a better tomorrow is a cornerstone of financial success. This patience ensures that you don't fall into the trap of instant gratification, which often leads to poor financial decisions. By sticking to the long-term vision, you create wealth that not only lasts but grows consistently over time. So, there you have it, 10 habits that can help you build wealth quietly and steadily, without the need to show off or flash your success. Remember, building wealth is about making smart, consistent decisions over time. By living below your means, prioritizing savings and investments, and staying focused on your goals, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and financial success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.